Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. Right now we are actually here. Not doing too much and nothing. Just sitting here. About to show y'all some rocket ship, maybe, I don't know. Rocket ship's so cool. See? We're actually showing off some fidget spinners right here. My gold one. I know they're outdated probably. Nobody likes these things. Man, no, don't say that. Never mind. A lot of people do like them still, somewhat not. I'm actually not doing too much of nothing today because right now in Crampton it's not pretty outside. I couldn't think of the word. But right now we're not gonna be doing too much. I'm just gonna be raw vlogging actually. You know, not doing too much. Go outside. It's just actually supposed to be sprinkling. But it's alright. Yep, it's sprinkling alright. Yeah, it's sprinkling. Oh god, just got it off. Uh-oh. Yeah, it's sprinkling alright, guys. I think I just got the camera all wet. It's alright. It's waterproof. GoPro. Y'all probably thinking, why I'm not filming on my other camera. I'm actually not filming on I am filming on camera, but I'm not filming with my other camera. I should be right now. But here's one of my other cameras. My Jazz JDC 77. I'm filming with my really good camera right now. Look, hey, look, in real life it's like sparkling, it's so shiny. See that, guys? Whoosh, 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 whoosh. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. I could just film that all day. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. I'm a sparkly camera. I'm so sparkly. Yeah, 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 yeah. I say using light. That's why it's actually got that. That was for Christmas. I don't know why it's still up. It's actually. Y'all can actually see like right up there. There can be cameras. It's supposed to be a little TV and everything. But yeah. Let's see. And look right there's the lights up there. But see, like right there is the sun. There's the house, snowman, frosty snowman, trains. I don't think there's batteries in it right now, but let's just see. No. No batteries. Nope. Sorry. No. I'm not gonna be doing too much. I'm probably not gonna be filming a big video, but I might be giving one of these the first shout out. In the next vlog, I'll shout out somebody. I might give these away. I don't know exactly, but I'm gonna end the vlog there. We're not gonna be doing that much, sorry guys. But later, hope y'all subscribe. This ain't one of my good videos, but I'm just raw vlogging because there's nothing really to do right now. But adios. Bye guys. Sorry to leave y'all. Sorry. Adios. Bye. Sorry. Bye guys.